This limited edition men's Graham Chronofighter Oversize is a new, rare luxury watch. With a mostly steel frame, Graham kicks it up a notch by adding a splash of color. Its clever, orange-on-black overtone gives this timepiece a sporty, everyday wear quality. The case, made of stainless steel, features a steel bezel that features GMT markers set within a coating that is half orange and half black, surrounding a silver-tone dial. Water resistant up to 100 meters, this timepiece is casual and resilient. A Graham caliber G1733 automatic movement powers the black subsidiary seconds dial, a black 30-minute counter, and a double disc date window. The luminescent steel tone hour and minute hands and the black second hand point to orange numeric hour markers, giving this watch an electrifying edge. 300 watches, infinite possibilities.